once you get into it, won't you dance with me?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi. I figured I would do a week in my life. Wait, why does it say it's November 20th? My car says November 20th, but it's the 19th. How do I fix that? I think I got it. Okay, fix that. But my birthday is actually the 21st, so it's in 2 days, and so I figured I would just do this week in my life to show you guys what I do during my birthday. I don't know. It's also Black Friday, Thanksgiving, Small Business Saturday, so lots is going on this week, so it's going to be interesting, so I figured I would just film it. Right now, I'm actually going to Ulta because I want to get a Kylie lip kit. They have them at Ulta now, and then I want to get a new foundation. I want to try a Bare Minerals one because I heard they're like natural, good for your skin. I'm gonna try it, and maybe if I find other things, I'll get them. And then tonight, I ordered the James Charles palette last week from Morphe online, and it comes today, and so I'm so excited for that. I'm hopefully gonna film like a get ready with me tomorrow, and with that palette. Right now it's 2:03, I still have to do a whole bunch of homework, so to Ulta. Okay, I'm out of Ulta now, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So first thing, this was on clearance for $4.97. So I got this, just cute little makeup bag. You always need more makeup bags. Then these were also on sale, and I needed eyelashes for the competitions coming up. So I got these, they're just wispies, just black ones. And then I got a Kylie lip kit, I got Candy Kit. I've wanted this one forever, and now they're at Ulta, so I'm like, I'm gonna get it, so I got it. And then I just got some Bare Minerals powder foundation. I'm excited to try this. Hopefully it helps my face. So the reason why I bought all of this now is because, like I said, it's my birthday in a few days, and so I get double the points, I guess. So I was like, you know, I'm just gonna go to Ulta to do that. They also have a whole bunch of the James Charles palettes, so like I could have waited and got mine here, but oh well, mine's coming tonight from the UPS man, so I'm gonna go home now. I'm back home now. Got my new makeup. I want to try it out. I'm pretty sure this will be my color. If not, we're gonna deal with it because it was $30 and I don't think I can return it after it's used. But I think it'll be okay. I got it in the shade 8, Golden Ivory. I normally get, this in Classic Ivory. And I mean, they look close, so that's why I got this one. This is, I'll give you the whole lowdown on what it's called. Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Powder Foundation. That is what it is. And like I said, it was $30. But I read that this stuff is supposed to be extremely good for your skin, especially if you have perioral dermatitis. And that is what I have. And so I was like, you know what? I'm going to give it a go. Now that I look at it, it might be too dark, but it said it was like wearable or layerable, so maybe it'll be fine. It smells really, really good, so that's a plus. You guys, I actually really, really like this, like a lot. So I haven't like blended it fully, so it probably looks a little bit chunky, but I actually really, really like this, and it looks nice on my skin. It feels really nice. My face always looks a different color on camera than it does in my mirror. Like in my mirror, I look perfectly blended, looks very, very nice, and then on camera, I'm like, whoa. And then I got a Kylie lip kit. Like I said, I've wanted one of these forever. I didn't want to order it online because I wanted to see it in person, and I've never used one of her products before. So how does this work? Okay, so you get the Kylie and you get this, and it says, for the best result, fill in your lips with the liquid liner and then do the top coat with that. So we're gonna try this. I'm probably gonna take it off after I do this because I don't need to keep this on, but I just want to see how it looks. I put the liner on. Now we're gonna put the top coat on. Oh my god, you guys, it smells really, really good. I absolutely love this. This is the exact color that I wanted. I'm super excited about this. I'll probably go and get more colors now that I know I like them. That's probably not good that they're at Ulta now. Now I'm gonna be like addicted. So yeah, that's everything I got at Ulta. I'm gonna go to dance tonight. Maybe I'll vlog, not sure, but I'll see you guys sometime soon. Guess what just came? My James Charles palette. I'm so excited. So I already cut open the top just to save some time. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited right now. Here we go. Happy birthday to me. Oh my god, it's so cold from being outside. You can see my fingerprints on it. Oops. Here we go. I'm gonna open it. Ooh. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This is like gonna be my everything. Like, you can do so freaking much with this. I'm so excited. I'm definitely going to be doing a get ready with me featuring this and all my products I got at Ulta today. Probably like a get ready with me Thanksgiving edition. So that'll be out before this, but if you haven't watched it and you're watching this, go back and watch that so you can see what I do with this. Hi everyone and good morning. It is Tuesday the 20th today, one day before my birthday. Can you guys tell how much I love my birthday? I really love my birthday. I'm actually celebrating my birthday today with Easton, so that's going to be really fun. I just filmed a get ready with me with the James Charles palette, a little Thanksgiving kind of get ready with me type of deal. So I need to clean up all of that and put it back to where my makeup normally goes. I tried to take some selfies, it didn't work. Selfies aren't really a thing anymore, so I'm probably gonna have Easton try to take a pic of me so I have something to post on Instagram for my birthday. And yeah, I look really orange in this light. There we go. Now I look really washed out. There's no winning. But yeah, I just filmed that. I didn't vlog after dance. Yesterday I came home, took a shower. Supposed to do some homework. Did I do any? No. I need to get better with that. I really do. So now I'm just gonna put all of this stuff back over there and then get ready. I'm gonna go pick up Easton up. We're gonna go to Olive Garden. That's where I chose to go for my birthday. I'm so excited. I love Olive Garden. And then we're going to go to the mall. I want to take like a picture that's with a bunch of candles for like Black Friday. I thought it'd be kind of funny. So that's my ideas. Not sure if it's gonna happen. Quickly, I wanted to show you guys my outfit. Wait, why is this on auto? Oh, there we go. Okay, I don't know what happened. But my outfit, I just have on this cheetah sweater and then black Lululemon leggings. But I'm burning my champagne toast candle and it smells so freaking good. I got this for myself for my birthday along with the vanilla bean. You guys know anything I buy in the month of November is like for my birthday. Just a little shopping excuse. But yeah, Easton's ready now, so I'm gonna go pick him up and then we're gonna go to Olive Garden. Hi guys, it is 6 o'clock outside right now and it is legit pitch black. We have dance at 7 tonight, but I wanted to go get a tea first and they close at 6:30, and so I went early. Went to Capitol, just got a Starburst tea. Gotta get me through this night. I am so tired. I was gonna vlog me opening my gifts from Easton, but then I remembered that I'm doing like what I got for my birthday haul type deal, and so that's gonna be like in a different video. So if you want to see that, it'll probably be up Saturday, maybe Saturday, not sure. But yeah, so that'll be up soon. It's also, I think I'm gonna combine my Black Friday haul with that haul because I probably won't buy too much from Black Friday, so it'll probably just be in one thing. But I did go to Target. You can't see, it's black down there, but I got cupcakes for the girls tonight after practice, and then I got part of Easton's Christmas gift, so that's cool. Got that figured out. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do this. Practice is over at 9, then I gotta go home and I have homework due tonight that I gotta get done. So now I'm just gonna FaceTime Easton because I have so freaking long to sit here. So I'm just gonna call him. I'm at home now. I actually just opened my presents for my family. I got one thing there and then everything else is piled over there. Like I said, I'm not gonna show you guys what I got because I'm gonna be filming a haul But I am going to show you this one thing. I got this giant astrology book, and I am so into horoscopes and stuff, and so I am so excited for this. My brother got it for me. So yeah, I'm going to do some homework, and then I'm going to read this book, and I'll probably see you guys tomorrow, which is my birthday. I'm so excited, you guys. I love my birthday. So see you guys in the morning. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday, November 21st, aka my birthday. I am so excited. I just got ready for work. I just have on an olive flannel, this little bralette, some hoops, my hair's up in a little half pony, and then I just have jeans on. That is my outfit for today. I have a work in an hour. I'm gonna go get my birthday shake and then head to work. And then hopefully on like a break at work, I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get my free Starbucks drink. And then tonight, me and my family are going out to eat. So I have a jam-packed day. My face is a little tiny bit red. I don't know if you guys can see. It's not that noticeable. I didn't even attempt to put makeup on it because I was like, I'm not gonna mess this up because I work all of this weekend and next week. So I'm like, I'm not gonna mess this up. So I just didn't put makeup on it. And I talk with my hands way too much. But yeah. I'm getting a ton of happy birthdays from Facebook. My mom posted a picture actually, and so a lot of them are on there. So yeah, I'm not gonna take my camera with me in the car, but maybe I'll vlog on my phone a little bit. So I'll see you guys when I get back home. Hi guys, and happy Thanksgiving. It is the next morning. I did not finish the vlog from yesterday. I worked all day long, literally the whole store hours. I stayed after a little bit, just getting ready for Black Friday. Came home, switched my clothes, went out to eat with my parents and my brother, and then came home and did my homework that was due at midnight. And then I just relaxed, edited a video, got that up, and went to bed. So I was very go, and I kind of forgot to vlog, so I'm sorry. But I'm vlogging now. Today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I am basically ready for the day. I just need to go through and like re-straighten some pieces of hair that got messed up while I was sleeping. But yeah, I'm not gonna wear any makeup today. I'm just gonna let my face be as it is. This is why I really want eyelash extensions, because like I don't wear makeup anymore. And if I just had eyelash extensions, then I'd be completely ready, you know? But yeah, so that's the plan. Right now, we're gonna leave for my grandma's house. We're supposed to leave at 10. It's 9:42 right now. I knew that wasn't gonna happen. And then once we get to my grandma's house, we're gonna eat and do all that fun stuff. And then coming home tonight, me and my mom are probably gonna go hit up some Black Friday stores. So yeah, that's my day in a nutshell. Hi guys, and good morning. I'm vlogging on my phone right now, actually on Snapchat, so hopefully this is okay. It's 7:20 in the morning and I'm headed to work Black Friday. So yeah, I got my Will Work for clothes on. These are like our work shirts, and I'm ready for the day. I just didn't want to bring my camera with because I didn't want to leave it outside in my car for 10 hours. So yeah, to work I go. Wait, I should have been looking over here. Oops, sorry, this vlogging on Snapchat thing's a little bit new to me. Hi guys, and good morning. Ooh, I have not vlogged in a long time. So Wednesday, it was my birthday. As you guys know, I worked 10 to 6, and then right after that I came home, changed, went out to dinner with my family, came home, did my homework that was due that night, and went to bed. Thursday, I woke up in the morning, went to my grandma's house, spent the day with my family, came home, went Black Friday shopping that night with my mom, and then went to bed. And then Friday morning, I worked from 7:45 until like 7 at night. I was at work, so I was there all day long. Did not have time to vlog. Store was crazy. Saturday, I worked 10 to 6-ish. It was Small Business Saturday. I work at a boutique, and so we participated in Small Business Saturday. It was very fun. Once again, very busy. Came home, did more homework, and then went to bed. And then I woke up this morning and filmed my Black Friday haul, and man, do I got stuff literally everywhere in my room right now. After I showed it, I would just throw it on the floor, and so that's what I gotta do right now, is clean all this up. I've kind of failed at vlogging the past few days. I've just been so tired and out of it. I'm so tired right now. I'm just like, whew, I just needed a little break. And so yeah, this is probably gonna be the last day of this like vlog, just because I don't know what else I can film. And then after this, I'm gonna give myself a little break this week from filming just to prepare for Vlogmas. That's my day in a nutshell. So let's clean. It is a lot later. I'm with Easton now, and we're going to go get Sickies. We go there every single Sunday for dinner or lunch. So we're going now. Hi everyone. It is a lot of days later. And when I say a lot, like a lot, it's like 4 days later. This video has been going on for like over a week now. But I came here to end it. I actually just got an Apple Watch. Very excited. I'm going to be talking more about it in either Vlogmas Day 1 or 2, whichever one I need more footage in. I'm going to talk about it, unbox it. You guys will see that whole thing. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss my Vlogmas. I am doing Vlogmas. There is going to be Vlogmas giveaways, so be ready for that. Sorry, this video is all over the place. I wasn't expecting it to be, but it kind of just happened that way. The beginning was good, but once it hit my birthday, after that, it kind of went downhill. So I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm just going to end this here. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
And don't you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can do it, won't you dance with me?